Last week I was having a conversation with an employee that was able to go back to work, but less than the full-time hours that they were typically working. And I was talking about a concept called temporary partial disability. Workers' compensation wants employees to return back to work. Employees want to return back to work. And so there's an encouragement within the system that if you can work 4 out of your 8 hours, that you go back to work and the employer pays you for working 4 out of the 8 hours. Now, what temporary partial disability does is it continues to pay for those other 4 hours that you're still unable to work as a result of your disability. So in this circumstance, the employee, like I said, could go back and work part-time 4 out of 8 hours. And they were going to do that for about a 2-month period, and then they were going to move up to 6 hours and not be able to work 2 out of the 8 hours. And I explained to the client that at that point you'll receive your 2 hours of pay, the 6 hours of pay once you go back to work. And then workers' comp will continue to pay you temporary partial disability for those 2 hours up until the time that you're released to go back to your full 8 hours a day. And at that point you wouldn't be receiving any temporary partial disability. So that's an area of benefits which contemplates that you can't work your full 8 hours, but you can work a partial work day, and how you're going to be compensated for that. If you have any questions regarding any disability payments that you're receiving as a result of your workers' compensation claim, feel free to give us a call. We're happy to answer any questions that you may have. Thanks.